Do you know that feeling? Finally being home after being away for so long? That quiet exhale the moment you step through the door, like your whole body finally remembers how to rest. You start looking forward to the small things that bring you joy again. Dancing alone in your room, just enjoying your own company, the little things that remind you why you push through the long, tiring days. Hi, people of the world! Naalala niyo bang background ko? I just got home. Almost a month akong hindi nakauwi. And I'm so happy. I'm so grateful. Dito ulit ako sa kwarto ko. And with that, kasi in a nutshell, this past few weeks, puro ako school, puro ako interim. Yeah, if hindi niyo pa napapanood yung recent kong vlog, go panoodin niyo na. So happy kasi I need some time for myself. I need to breathe. Gusto ko i-rewire muna yung utak ko kasi puro school na ako lately. And next week, midterms naman namin. So, gusto ko muna ipahinga ng konti. Kahit may gagawin akong isa pang interim later, it's okay. Basta gusto ko muna simulan yung araw ko with the things that I really wanna do. So, habang nag-aayos pala ako dito, people, nanonood ako ng movie. Nanonood na ako. Siguro mga 20 minutes ago. I'm currently watching Voicemails for Isabel. And if meron kayong i-recommend sa akin films, series, documentaries, go, i-comment nyo yan. I just wanna share how I balance my life. Ito pala, may i-share pala ako sa inyo, people. This coming Sunday, meron akong live stream dito sa YouTube. First live stream ko yun sa YouTube. So, sana nandun kayo. Kasi, yeah, sana manood kayo. Need ko ng kausap. See you sa live stream ko this Sunday. So, yeah, let's go. Let's start our day. Ako lang ba ang madaming damit pero hindi na alam kung saan isisiksik? Pero wala pa ring masuot. Anyways, na-miss ko yung feeling na maghalongkat ng mga gamit ko, mga journals ko, and then, yeah, hawak ko yung oras ko, manonood ako ng movie, anytime I want, tapos kikiligin ako sa rom-com. But yeah, people, I just wanna remind us, including si self, na ang productivity is not just about giving all your time to work or the tasks you need or should do. Productivity is also grabbing your pen and starting to write your thoughts. Productivity is also watching a movie and allowing yourself to briefly think beyond something in a way that enlightens our lives. Lately, people, one of my habits is reminding myself this. Give yourself permission to feel. Give everyone you love and even the people you don't love that much permission to feel. Because at the end of the day, we have to ask ourselves, what's truly the purpose of our living? So show up for the life you want for yourself, still with limitations and boundaries. Hello people of the world! Sorry kung medyo ma-noise yung quality ng video kasi sa iPad ako nag-video ngayon. Gagawin ko muna yung interim ko, which is gagawa kami ng website through coding. Ang gagawin namin dun sa website ay ilalagay namin yung mga works namin as a multimedia artist at ipapakita ko sa inyo yung ilang mga traditional art ko. This is my sketchbook. Like, wow, hindi ko ba love si Van Gogh? Para namang hindi halata. But yeah, ito yung mga portraits ko. This is me. This is me. First portrait activity ata sa school. So, sama ko siya. And then, hindi to school related. Favorite ko siyang cartoon character. Ang movie niya ay Soul. Kung papapaliin ako kung sino ako sa emotions, ito ako. Si Anxiety. And then, wala. Trip ko lang tong mga drawing. Yeah. Silenzio Bruno, if you know that line. Silenzio Bruno, which means don't listen to the negative things sa utak mo. Something like that in Italian. So, hindi to portrait. It's our activity sa color theory. Kailangan namin ng color wheel, pero in a creative way. Ang nasa isip ko ay mga soda. So, yun yung ilang mga ilalagay ko sa website. And kainaan ko ang coding, pero kaya ko yan. So, let's start. Sana matapos ko to na. Hello, people of the world. Honestly, wala pa ako nasisimulan kasi inuna kong iset up tong live streaming. Magka-countdown tayo. Yeah, look at this, people. Nag-set up ako dito sa iPad tsaka sa laptop ko ng live stream for Sunday. And yeah, I'm so excited. At the same time, kinakabahan ako kasi first time ever ko tong gagawin na mag-live. Kahit saan hindi ako nag-live. Simula high school, never ako nag-live sa kahit anong social media ko. And kinakabahan talaga ako. Sana may manood. Sana may makipag-usap sa akin. And yeah, I hope nandun kayo, people. 8 p.m. sa Sunday, this Sunday. Let's go, let's go, let's go. May thy will be done. I am hoping na maging successful and I'm claiming it by faith na agad ngayon na successful ang first ever live stream ko sa YouTube. I just wanna connect more with you people. So, final na to. Gagawa na talaga ako nung coding ko. May mga araw na parang ang dami kong ginagawa. Pero parang wala pa rin ako nagagawa. May mga araw na sobrang focus tayo sa trabaho, sa school, sa deadlines, bills man yan, papers man yan, o projects, hanggang sa nakakalimutan na natin kung paano magpahinga o maglaan ng oras para sa sarili mo at sa mga taong mahalaga sa'yo. And through those days, I've learned na balance isn't something you achieve once and then you're set for life. It's something you have to keep choosing every day. Araw-araw. I'm so grateful sa mga nangyari ngayong araw, pero at the same time, medyo pagod yung utak ko, honestly. And it's okay. I just wanna sleep kasi I'm going to document my life again tomorrow. Kasi abangan nyo ang weekend in my life. Yun yung next kong i-upload next week. Yes. And yeah, people, I'm so excited for Sunday. Kasi, yeah, I hope you're there. Please, 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 please. I'm so happy. I'm so blessed. I'm so grateful. Kahit pagod, pero yung ipinapagod ko ay worth it naman. And alam kong, yung life ko ngayon, nandun ako sa planting season. I'm going to end this vlog na. Thank you so much, people, for your time. Go binge watch my videos. Walang problema. And if you have a suggestion, anything, go comment nyo yan. I wanna connect with you more. And I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching my video until the end. And sana magkita tayo sa live this Sunday, 8 p.m. people. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm so excited. Samahan niyo ako doon. Isang oras lang tayo. Isang oras lang. Samahan niyo ako. Yeah, thank you so much again for watching. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you. Thank you for your life. Bye-bye.